Good morning. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're going to want to watch this video because we're about to tell you the most important trends and news driving markets this morning. You're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.
Today is April 18th, 2019. After yesterday's negative close for US stocks, I'm looking to see if there's something to buy in this small dip. We published a high conviction utilities idea in Duke Energy, ticker DUK, yesterday. I know it's a boring utility stock, but it has a 4% dividend yield and is a great way to begin putting low beta defensive stocks in your portfolio. Duke Energy has a beta of 0.11, which means that the S&P 500 drops 1 point. Duke Energy will drop only 0.11%. Definitely worth checking out the trade video. It's real fascinating to see that while the S&P 500 finished slightly down yesterday and the Nasdaq was flat, over $1 billion flowed into the Qs. Are investors actually increasing their tech exposure still? Feels that way. I like to look at flow data as another way to judge investor sentiment. In many ways, it's a leading indicator. Buying tech on a down day for the market definitely suggests a rebound in tech will continue. Just as a point of reference, for the year, the Qs are already up more than 21.5%. Goldman Sachs is out arguing that the best way to play corporate earnings via options is to enter a trade 5 days before the announcement. Interesting enough, the best time to exit the option trade is a few days after the announcement, according to Goldman's research. Look, I really like Marshall's research a lot, and I've been following it for almost a decade. But you shouldn't just play earnings through options for the sake of doing it. Always look at implied volatility and consider whether implied moves have enough built-in premium. Event variance, especially around earnings announcements for volatile stocks like Netflix, will always be expensive. Think about that before doing anything. Now let me tell you about some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. BB&T reports first quarter results that beat consensus. BB&T first quarter net interest margin of 3.5% came in a touch ahead of consensus. The company continues to prepare for its integration with SunTrust Bank. BB&T is one of our favorite banks in the US space. E-Trade Financial reports first quarter results that beat market expectations. Daily average trades were 279,000 plus. And finally, Las Vegas Sands reports first quarter adjusted EPS that beat market forecasts. Las Vegas Sands confirms work on the Four Seasons Suites Macau, and London Macau is progressing well. Right now we stay away from Las Vegas Sands, but it might be worth putting it on your watch list.
Thanks for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Let us know what you think about our AM Markets Preview and some other points that you'd like us to mention. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.